Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So yeah, today we are going to code one application with the help of Ollama. Uh, it's like a daily planner app where we are taking sleeping hours as well as working hours from a user, and then we'll create a multi-agent application that will provide a daily planning schedule to user according to their sleep and working hours. So we'll start. It's a very good application. You can also see that in the end you will be able how beautifully all things are merged up like that. So we'll start basically first importing the important library. So as usual we are importing Streamlit as st for our web interface and Ollama so that we can interact with our open source model with the help of Ollama app. So for creating this kind of app, we need to create two functions. Like first one will be like which will interact with our LLM model and create the plan. Then we'll have to define one function which which will be like behave as a mediator between different agent, or you can say that which can initiate communication to generate plan method with different inputs or different agents. So we'll create uh, that function. Then we'll create our main function where we will take input from user, like sleeping hours and working hours. So we'll take sleep hours from user and working hours from user. Okay, so we'll first create our uh, generate plan function where we'll be interacting with our Ollama LLM model. So basically we'll have to provide some system prompt as well as user prompt. So in system prompt we'll provide like a agent or an agent name if we can provide, yes, and then we'll provide user input. User input will contains like sleeping and working hours, like that way. So we'll provide two inputs, then we'll create our prompt where we'll create some will instruct some guidelines to our LLM agent it will behave with uh, how it will behave with the different user inputs. So we can say that create a daily schedule plan based on the the user's input. Then we'll provide agent name here. Agent name. Then agent name needs to work with the other agents, like uh, the other agents, like work agent is there, food will utilize, the rest agent will utilize, and workout agent will utilize for that purpose to create a well balanced daily plan. And then we'll provide user input. To create a well balanced daily plan, then we'll provide user input. Then here we'll provide user input, like that way I think. Okay, so we have created our prompt. Then we'll have to interact with our, or we have to pass this prompt to our Ollama model, so we can create one response where we are interacting with Ollama.chat, where we'll be using model equal to. So I am using Llama 3.1 8 billion parameters model. You can use whichever model you want. So uh, in message will provide system prompt we already defined. We have to provide some user role. uh, okay. The role will be user, and the role will be user, and content will be our prompt. Then we'll return the response. So basically, in our previous video we have utilized string out parser for generating a string value from the output of Ollama model. This time we will utilize the key pair from the dictionary, because this response from Ollama model is in the form of dictionary where we are having a key value pair. So in response we had some key with the name of message. So they are the response is in the form of nested dictionary where one keyword is our key. So if key is not there, then we'll have to uh, provide the empty dictionary, and if key is there, then we have to fetch the content from that key. So content is also one key in basically, and if content is not present, no text found in response. Okay. So basically we have okay, that's why there is one error. Okay, so basically we have created our generate plan function. Now we'll define our daily plan function where we will create different agents. So what will be the input for our daily plan? Basically we'll provide sleep hours and working hours as an input to this function. Then we'll get some available hours, and available hours will be like 24 minus sleep hours minus working hours. Okay, this way we have created our available hours. Now we'll generate agents, different agent, or you can say different task agents. Okay, so first we'll create our sleep plan, or you can say agent. Will generate different plans will be better. Sleep plan will be like, we'll call our generate plan, and we'll provide some input, like we'll have to provide the agent name and user input to this function. So we'll provide sleep agent will be the name for that agent, and uh, we'll provide some f string. User needs sleep hours of sleep. Okay, so what it will do, so once we are calling our main function, it will provide sleep and working hours to our daily plan. From there it will call the sleep plan, and sleep plan will call the generate plan, and it will provide sleep agent, and this user needs to sleep 8 hours, user needs 8 hours of sleep to this our prompt. And prompt will create a daily schedule plan based on the user input, where we are providing a sleep agent and how much amount of work or sleep he or she wants to take. in that format we are providing a prompt to our LLM model, and LLM model will generate a response on that. So uh, uh, will concatenate all of these agents so that we can have a integrated plan for our daily use. So we'll create the sleep plan, then we'll create, I will copy and paste work plan. We'll use work agent, and user, we can say works, working hours every day. Now we'll create food. So I am basically creating these basic plants. You can create more plants as per your need. So we'll use this one, generate plan, food agent plan meals. Food agent will be there, and we can say plan meals with, and so we have used sleep hours and working hours. Will utilize available hours here, and we have this hours left. Food plan is created, then we'll create some workout plan. Workout plan, workout agent, and we'll say will user can work out for available hours left, and we'll create last plan like rest plan. So we'll also need to take some rest like that way. So rest plan and meals user plan, we can say plan relaxation time within available hours. So that way we have created different agents. Now we need to combine all the plans into one daily plan. So we'll use daily underscore plan equal to, we'll use multi-level string, or you can say multi-line string for this. So okay, your daily plan will look like, one will provide sleep, not sleep hour, sleep plan. Two will provide work plan, then will provide food workout, food plan. Fourth will provide workout plan. Fifth will provide a rest plan. So yes, and then will return daily plan. Okay, so we have defined our logic, like a generate plan is there, create daily plan is there. Now we'll have to define our main function, where we will take input from user, and then we'll generate our plan accordingly. So basically we are using Streamlit for that. So okay, for our web interface, so we'll First of all, we'll define some title. st.title title will say like daily planner app, daily planner AI app. Okay, then we'll take sleep hours from. So this time we are not using a text box, but we'll be using slide bar, or you can say slider. So you can see it will be more interacting, and it will look more good in respect to our text box. Then we can say how many hours do you sleep. So it will be heading for that particular slider, and will provide three values like 0 is the minimum value, 24 is the maximum value, and 8 is the default value. Same for our working hours. How many hours do you work each day? And same 0, 24, and 24 and 8 will be there like that. So do you sleep each day? Will otherwise it will not be able to catch. How do you sleep each day? How many hours do you work each day? Okay. Then we'll create some logic where we'll use if statement for st dot button. So unless and until this button is pressed, the logic will not work. So st dot button will provide heading for this button like generate daily plan. Generate daily plan. Okay. And this will generate our daily plan. Then daily underscore plan equal to, will call our function create daily plan, and create daily plan will call generate plan function. Okay, create daily plan and will provide sleep hours equal to, I can provide this way also, sleep hours comma working hours. So this way we'll get uh, output in a daily plan variable. Then we'll have to display. So we'll create some subheader, header for this purpose, and you can say your suggested daily plan, and will provide st dot write. So write will be for displaying the output. So it will display our daily plan. Then we'll call the main function if name double equal to main, call the main function. Okay. So basically, this is our app which we have created for our daily plan. So how it works? First of all, user interface will appear where it will ask for user input like how many hours of sleep and work do you do in one day. So the user will provide input to these option, and it will press on the button like generate daily plan. So it will call create daily plan function, and will provide sleep hours and working hour as an input. Then these daily plan will execute each and every agents which we have created, and this each and every agent uh, will run or will call this generate plan method, where it will provide an input to Ollama model, and it will get the output from those models, and then it will store in these variables. And in the end, we are combining all the outputs in our daily plan, and we are returning the daily plan. So that daily plan will come in this variable, and we are displaying it in our daily plan uh, on the web page. So we can check. So now we will check if it is working fine or not. So we'll have to use Streamlit. So we are on the correct directory, and we have to run Streamlit run. First of all, I will save it. Streamlit run Dailyplanner.py, and we'll see. So you can see this slider will. Okay, Streamlit has no attribute. Slider. Okay, there is one mistake I think. Slider, SLIDER. Okay, I hope it should work. So you can see these. This is the form of slider where 0 is the minimum value, 24 is the maximum value, and 8 is the default value. So we'll take 8 hours of sleep and 8 hours of 8 as a working hours, and we'll create our daily plan, and we'll see how it works. Okay, message. Okay, so I am not going to hide all these mistakes, because in that way only you are going to learn whatever we are whatever ever you will get and how to resolve it. Okay, what's message is correct. Message is correct. I'm not sure what is the error. Client.chat got an unexpected keyword argument message. Okay, okay, this one I guess. Messages. This is the error. Messages, I guess. Okay, I think it should work now. So we have to take care of each and every keyword. Okay, so now you can see that our daily plan has been generated, and you can see how beautiful it is. See this? Okay, based on a requirement that you need to have a clear daily schedule plan that work with the rational agents like this assumption. A standard working days consist to be 9 hours, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Okay, 30 minutes for breakfast, for dinner, rest and relaxation. Okay, so you can see how beautifully the LLM model has created our daily plan, and you can see each and everything is listed here. So yes, you can go and uh, check out this code. I will upload the code in my GitHub, and I will share the link in the detail section of this video. So yes, if you like, please if you like this video, please comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.